Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can get GitHub page in Google Search Console. So let's get started. Step 1. Publish your GitHub Pages site. First, make sure your website is live using GitHub Pages. For example, it should look something like this. Now open the link in your browser and confirm your site is working. And then open Google Search Console. Next, go to search.google.com/search-console and sign in with your Google account. After that, let's add into our website. Click on Add Property and enter your GitHub Pages URL. Select the URL prefix option, since GitHub Pages doesn't give you full domain access. Then click Continue. Next, verify ownership. Now, Google will ask you to verify ownership. Choose the HTML tag method. Copy the meta tag provided by Google, then open your GitHub Pages repository. In your index.html file, paste this tag inside the head section. Commit and push the changes to GitHub. After that, return to Google Search Console and click Verify. And then wait for indexing. That's it. Your site is now added. It may take a few days or weeks for Google to crawl and index your GitHub Pages site, so be patient. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.